brush your hair.
Dad, what should you done?
Yes.
I forgot money to you done.
Baby is so finished to bathroom.
Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Dana.
I am Daddy.
Yes, I'm Daddy of
I
Dana.
love you.
Mhm.
Someone to school. Do we do Papa?
Yeah.
Daddy, Dad,
Yes.
Billy.
I love you. I love you. Okay, it's okay. So look beautiful na, baby.
Hey, Dad, what's that?
Oh, where's your lipstick? Get your lipstick. Where you put your lipstick? Get it. Find it. Then you give your mouth. Where's your lipstick? Find it. Where you put your lipstick? Oh, no more na. No more lipstick.
Hey, that was that.
Huh?
Bunny,
Yes.
happy like it.
Yes, why is your nose so dirty? Hmm?